This is a used 2010 Lincoln MKS, powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include heated steering wheel, push-button start, leather seats, heated rear seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, memory seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.